So today I'm going to teach you about the board, okay, about the U-boot, about the any board, okay, any SoC, the ARM SoC. I'm going to teach you about the ARM SoC and the U-boot and how to compile the U-boot and how to load the U-boot, okay, and several things. It's very important if you are working with a Linux and if you want to work in an embedded system, okay. So on the basis of board, we will compile the U-boot and we will do a setup of cross toolchain, okay, and we will flash the compiled binary on the target, okay. So right now I have some board, okay. I want to show you what kind of board I have, okay. Do you know about the IMX6 processor? Do you know anything about the IMX6 processor? IMX6. It's an ARM device from Freescale. Now it's an XP. Was Freescale. Yeah. You don't know. Did you know anything about the ARM?
Yeah, I know.
It's the same thing. Okay.
Yeah.
The same core is that.
Do I need to buy this board?
Uh, it's all on you. If you want, you can buy. Okay. And if you have another board, we can work on that board also. Okay. If you want, if you don't have, you can buy this board. Okay. Or if you have another one, some earlier board, we can work with that. Okay. It's not necessary.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, so this is the core. It's ARM core only. Okay, Cortex A9. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
it's a very latest chip. Okay, inbuilt with the GPU. So if you want, you can read these documents. If you want to more know about the the SoC, it's better. Okay. So right now we have a processor that is called Dual Light, IMX6 Dual Light. Dual Light. It's ARM core. Okay, this is the core. Okay. It's better, it would be better if you are going through these documents. These are very important. So this is the board. Okay, right now I have. And the agenda is we will download the U-boot, okay, source, and we will set up the tool chain and we will compile it and we will generate a U-boot image and then we will load the U-boot image on the board. Okay. It's a very first thing when we are working with any board, or we want to write our own U-boot, or do you know this process is specifically called what? You have any idea about it? This process is called BSP. Do you know about the BSP? BSP. BSP.
More support package.
Yeah. We are going to do the same thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So here is the source code. Did you saw any time the source code of the U-boot? Did you got the opportunity to saw any source code?
Sorry?
Did you saw any time the source code of the U-boot?
No.
This is the source code of the U-boot. Okay.
Okay. Can you explain what is U-boot? I don't know about it.
U-boot stands for Universal Boot. Okay, Universal Bootloader. So some open community designed this, source code. It's open. Okay, it's copyleft. It's not copyright. So anyone can use it. If you are designing your own board and you have to do several more modifications on the basis of your memory, on the basis of your peripherals, devices, and you can use this utility or this source code for your own board. The every board is different from another board. There are several chips, and there are several peripherals. There are several different peripherals. There are several different chipset.
Yeah.
So we try to enable the peripheral support, the buses, support of the buses, support of the devices, support of the memory, several things, almost everything. Okay, and
Yeah.
that process is called the BSP, board support package. Okay, you are writing your own U-boot for your own target, a specific target, your designed board. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Let's say there are some hardware guys. Okay, they are designing some a specific board SoC with the SoC ARM SoC for some specific purpose. Okay, the software guy have to write some U-boot, the primary bootloader. Okay, that is called the primary bootloader to initialize the the memory, the peripherals, the devices, the buses, and everything.
Yeah.
So that is called the U-boot.
Alright.
Yeah. So this is the generic source of U-boot. Okay, and we are going to optimize this source code for this specific target. This one. Okay.
Yeah.
So you know already about the cross compilation. I think I told you about this. ARM toolchain is already set up in the my PC. Okay.
Okay.
So there is a ARM toolchain already working in my PC. If you want, you can also set it in your PC. Okay. So what I will do, I will write some shell script. Okay, to compile it.
Yeah.
But I have already the shell script. Do you know what is the shell script? Do you know anything? What is the shell script?
About what?
Do you know anything about the shell script?
No, no.
Okay.
Mm.
A shell script is a collection of commands. Okay, we have a several commands in a Linux. If you want to club all the commands in the single file, and if you want to execute it sequentially, it's called the shell script.
Alright.
So I'm going to write a shell script that is called nam.sh. Okay, there are several extra lines which is not required. So now the script is ready. Okay,